Hello and welcome back, my dear students. So, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is the 6 number chapter in your environmental studies first part, that is our civics topic. And the chapter number 6 is rules are for everyone. So, what are rules and how we have to do these things? Okay, how we have to act according to the rule that we will study today. So first of all, let me tell you uh, this thing. What is rule? A rule is particularly a set of certain guidelines, or like you see, there are certain set parameters according to what we have to act along. Okay. So I hope you might have some days stuck in a traffic signal. Okay. So you see what happens on a traffic signal is that there is certain crossing point, and if there is a red signal for you, you have to stop eventually. If you don't stop on the signal, then you are bound to get in an accident. Okay, so that is what happens when we talk about this thing. So if we break the rule, what will happen eventually is very kind of unwilling thing. Okay, we don't want that thing. Okay, accidents may happen by breaking the rules of traffic. And if we talk about breaking the rules of society, then you will get a particular type of punishment. Like you see, if someone breaks the social conduct and do some things that are not inside our law, okay, that are not supposed to be right, or they are supposed to be illegal, then this kind of person will go to jail. Okay, if they do crime, if they break the law, they will go to the jail. Again, if you might know, like there are certain rules in our school also. So I will just give you few rules, and you know what happens if you break these rules. Okay, first of all, you have to come in uniform. Okay, if you don't come in uniform, your teacher will ask you to go home and then come again with the uniform. Again, if you don't do your homework, then also your teacher will give you punishment. Again, if you fight with some another person in your class, you will again get punishment. So what is all showing us is that rules are made for everyone and they should be followed by all of the people that are living in our society. So you see, in order to show this rule and make the law for our country, there is one thing made by us that is called as the law. Okay, it is made by the government and the judicial system. So court, you might know, are responsible for maintaining this law, and if someone breaks, then they are also having the power to give the punishment to certain criminals. So court is one thing. Then you see there are some environmental rules, okay, dealing with the nature. When human and nature are kind of having some trade in between both of these, like you see, humans are using a lot of natural resources, so it is indirectly affecting the environment. So what we have to do here is that we have to also focus on the rules of environment. If we cut a lot of trees, eventually what will happen is global warming, and we would all get affected by this rise in temperature. Again, if we throw a lot of garbage in the oceans, in the rivers, and in the any kind of water, wherever you see, it will cause us the harm only, and the environment also in itself. So you see, we have to also obey the rules that our nature has made. So you see, here we were talking about rules are for everyone and everyone has to follow these certain rules. So I will tell you a little bit shortly what is the law of our country. I hope you know Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar has made, like there were 7 people with him and many more who helped him to make the constitution of our country. So this constitution is basically a rule book and a set of guidelines of our country's functioning, efficient functioning of our country. Okay, this book is showing us all these things like rules for people, individual, then group of people, then the duties of government, duties of the individual, and certain all other things. So you see, rules are basically very essential for us in order to be efficient in our work and to make sure that no one is doing some bad works and he is making his own profit only. Again, equality before law is also one thing. I hope in the last lecture, last chapter, you have studied about the gender equality. So here equality means in terms of individual equality. Okay, so gender equality is one thing, then racism and casteism is also, like you see, based on religion we are kind of differentiating people, but in the view or perspective of law, every person is the same. Okay, there is no caste, there is only one law for everyone, and there is everyone is supposed to be equal. No one is upper class, no one is lower class, like that. You see, equality we have to maintain. So you see, as we are talking about rules, I will tell you some rules. If you might have traveled on road someday, I know everyone has done this thing. Like you see, we always drive on the left side, and I hope you know what happens when we cross the line and we drive from the right side. Okay, eventually we are going to meet up in an accident. So that is why, in order to live our life at a good, like you see, if we want to live our life healthy and good, we have to follow the rules. Again, I hope you know that there are rules for our body also. If we eat a lot of junk food, what will happen is that we will eventually end up being unhealthy. Okay, if we don't exercise, we will get severe health issues. And if we eat green vegetables, okay, and if we eat healthy things, what will happen? We will get our desired kind of health, and it will not be worsen. So there are rules that produces all the movement that you can see around the world, okay, in the universe also. I hope you know Earth is revolving around the sun, and it is due to the rule of gravity. If Earth breaks the rule of gravity, then you see Earth will be lost from its orbit and it will fly away in the galaxy. So you see, everything in the nature is working according to these set rules. So that is what we had to discuss in this chapter. I hope you have got to understand what, like you see, what is the importance of rule and what happens if we break them. So that's all for this video, and we will meet in the next video again. So until then, take care and bye.